Hey, take a look at this one. 1966 Chevrolet C10 regular cab long box. Kind of a patina look to this truck. Don't let a little rust and some patina fool you on this one though. Has a nice small block Chevy V8 dropped underneath the hood. Actually runs out very nice. Pretty solid truck too. Take a look at the underside pictures. You'll see it's had some sheet metal and stuff replaced under there. But we'll take a peek at the cab corners too and stuff. It's put together pretty nice. Made to drive. Nice driver quality, I'd say, with a patina look to it. If you want to check out those underside pictures and engine bay pics and check out the bed. The bed's been redone with, appears to be oak back there. Check those pictures out at uniqueclassiccars.com. Originally from the Bird Island, Olivia area. Still retains the original badging on it from the dealership. Take a peek at the interior. Has had some sound deadening put on the floors, a little carpeting redone over that, seat revinyled. Other than that, the rest of the cab appears to be pretty much stock with the exception of that tack and some aftermarket gauges underneath there. Look at how nicely that door closes, actually fits. And then take a look down at that cab corner. They've been replaced. So, got a nice little look to it. A little bit of rust above the rear fender walls, but again, don't let that fool you. Take a look at those undersides. This thing's solid where it counts to be a nice driver. Is a manual 3-speed on the column, so 3 on the tree if you will. The tailgate does come with it. There's a tailgate this same color. It just didn't have the hardware with it, so we didn't put it back on after the wood was replaced in the back here, but you see the bed's nice in it. Gentleman that owned this prior, he drove it, put quite a few miles on it. Kind of his cruiser. Again, a little rust above the wheel wells, but hey, that adds some character, and they're not all gone. Still get a nice look to it. Feel free to give us a call too if you'd like to inquire about this truck. 507-386-1726. We'll fire up here in a second too and let you check out that engine bay. You can get into hot rodding or go to the local cruise-ins and won't cost you an arm and a leg with this truck. Kind of get into the hobby without having to spend 30, 40, 50 grand on some high-end truck. But yeah, you can have just as much fun with this one. Let's go ahead and fire it up. So nice this thing runs. That's how easy that starts. Nice sound to it too. Small block Chev. Your gauges. See the oil gauge works. Voltmeter, and of course the water temp will come up as it warms up. Little aftermarket radio put in here. I haven't really messed around with it to see. Oh, and it does power up. It does work if we get a station in. Let's check it real quick. AM anyway on here. The one that I would get in.
I just, their picture just can't get it.
There you go. So the radio does work. See the tack also works. Nice little rumble out of that engine. Slip around to the back so you can hear it. Nicely that door closes and fits on that side too. Listen to that idle. Again, 1966 Chevrolet C10 regular cab long box, small block Chev underneath the hood. I'm going to go ahead and pause this too so I can open that hood and we'll take a look underneath there. Alright, check this out. Got the hood popped. Look at how nice and tight it is underneath here. Power brakes. New Edelbrock 4-barrel on that. Headers. Look at that little sweetheart underneath there. Talk about smooth running. Give us a call if you'd like to know more or like to inquire about this truck. 507-386-1726. And of course, check out those underside pictures. See how neat this is underneath too. UniqueClassicCars.com. 1966 Chevrolet C10 regular cab long box.